Alright, so today me and Zach are going to be changing his turn signals. The right one is out. You get these new ones, super bright LEDs by Zevo. I don't know where you got them, but they're a lifetime warranty, I guess. We're going to be changing these, putting these in. For those old ones, as you can see, we already got the light off. We're just trying to figure out how to get the bulb out right now. He's going to look it up. YouTube has everything. Ain't that right, Zach?
Yeah.
That's how we figured out how to do the alternator. Alright, well, see ya. Alright, so we have officially finished the LEDs. We were puzzled why the left one wasn't working for a little bit, and we figured out that we put them reverse on the left side. So we made it right and everything, and now it works. So we changed both of his we changed both of his turn signals. I got Rockus with me. He's going crazy because he just saw the mailman. But we changed the bulbs. His right one was out. We changed it, and we found the owner's manual while we were working on it. And he's laying down on the ground. Hey, come on. Stop it. You're okay. He can't hurt you. You'd kill him. He's a pit bull, so.
My owner's manual back in here.
But yeah, we're done with that. Turn signals are done. So we gotta go look for a new bolt on his from a scrapyard. That's mine. We gotta go look for an scrapyard bolt. I kind of occupado with Rockus. But yeah, we gotta go look for a new bolt from the scrapyard because guy forgot to put one on it. But that's basically all for now. With his car, we're gonna change the front ones to LEDs because they go psychotic on the back end, just because it's LEDs and it's not regular bulbs like the front ones are. So we're gonna change them to LEDs on the front also to match the back, so they won't go crazy, hopefully. And that's basically all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And I do have an Instagram, it's down below. Follow me, hit me up saying hi or something, comment on one of my videos. We're officially at 210 subscribers last time I checked on my phone. So thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, and I really appreciate you all helping me out in growing my channel. Let's get to 300 and let's get going on this channel and make it and get 1,000 possibly sometime soon before I at least leave for the military, because I'm leaving the channel with my brother when I leave for the military. Watch out, there's poop in the middle of the yard. Alright, so that's basically all. I will see you guys later, and thank you for watching.